Hi guys, welcome back to another video from Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in into your central bank account. So follow some simple steps with me. First up, open your web browser and in the search bar, type in centralbank.net. It will take you to the official website of Central Bank, and over here in this interface you can see the login portal at the left hand side. And in this drop down now choose your account type by clicking on this drop down arrow and enter the user ID of your account. Once you do that, click on go. It will redirect you to the password section, and from there enter the password of your account and click on login. You will be logged into your central bank account. And in case if you guys forgot your user ID or password, click here forgot user ID or password to reset it. Also, you guys can enroll in online banking by clicking over here enroll in online banking. So this was for this video. This is how you can log in into your central bank account. Hope you guys understand and find our video helpful. If you did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel, and also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.